Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is the speed loader from Glock, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. So your magazine will go into the slot just like this. It has a little tab right here, you can see it, so that will help you push down and put your ammunition. So usually you can get the first couple in and it's easy, but once you get to like number 7, it start being very hard. The spring is very hard, especially when the magazine is brand new. So the speed loader can help you a lot, believe me. So when you're at the range and you've been shooting and shooting, your fingertip will start hurting. So usually you can get the first one, you know, those are pretty easy. The bullet goes in just like that. So usually you could get the first couple just like that, but then after a while it become harder. So with the speed loader, you will put it just like this, you can see right there, and when you push down, you can see your ammo goes down. See that? The tab will push it down. So when it does that, it causes the spring to push down, of course, your ammo goes down, and then you grab your next one, you put it in until it touched the tab that it has, and you start letting go. Just like that. So you get your next one, bring it down, put it in, start letting it go. Bring it down, let it go up slowly, put it in. Sorry, I'm shaking, but it goes right in. Once it goes in, let it slide up. Again, let it slide up, and your last one will go in. So this will make your life way easier. Now when you're taking your ammo out, you grab from the back side. I usually just put it into my hand. Just like that, and it comes right off. So it's pretty cool. This thing save your fingertips. Just remember, first couple fast, first couple are pretty quick. So then, you get that in, you push down, put it in, put it in. Pretty easy. So you can't go wrong. Look at that. Awesome. So these usually come when you buy a new pistol. If not, buy one. They're good. Awesome.